Hi my friend, this is an update to this video from April 2021. Currently the pricing in Figma looks like this, and there are these pricing plans, but Figma announced that it will change a little. Actually it will change a lot, because currently the free starter plan allows you to invite one more editor to your team. So there are up to 2 editors at a team, and Figma promises that it will eliminate this limitation, and in the starter plan you will be allowed to invite as many editors as you want. So this is actually pretty cool, but Figma didn't announce the date when this will become true. So now I just update this lesson and I don't know the date, so probably there will be some time frame when you might watch this video when Figma already changed the plan and I haven't updated the lesson yet. So if it is so, you can still watch the video. You will understand that if I'm talking about these limitations of 2 editors, that it's already gone, but everything about other plans probably will still be true. So I encourage you to watch this lesson to the end, because there will be some tips how to avoid overspending on these paid plans and so on. So now let's go to the video and hope that Figma will launch this change soon.